Today I will talk about how can you relate your balance on your Amazon shopping app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on this sign here. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Just scrolling down here. So into you will find here your account here, and here can you swipe like this here. So into you will find here manage gift card balance here. Just click on it here. Manage gift card balance. Just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You'll find here roll your balance. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just scrolling down here, and here can you roll out amounts here in this list. So that's all you have to do here to highlight your balance here in this list. When you add it, just click here on pay now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.